Little peppermint candies that I made.
Sugary and cinnamony, and I can't wait to try them.
We got the back flap and the front flap. So let's go straight here. My butter candle came out really good. Hey everybody, the Christmas season is finally here and I'm so excited to be starting a little Vlogmas series where I take you behind the scenes of all the crafts and the Christmas projects I have coming up. I'm going to be doing like a handmade Christmas series. So I'm excited to take you along and show you what I'm up to every single day. I'll be doing like maybe one video a week or maybe 2 a week just to show you behind the scenes of all the projects I have coming up. First Christmas craft project I have is going to be a life-size gingerbread playhouse I'm making for my kids. So I have to head over to Hobby Lobby to get some felt and a lot of different things to make candies and all the fun things I'm going to be putting on it. I thought it would be fun to do it all in felt, and then that way they can like decorate and take it down and redecorate it as much as they want, and it kind of lasts throughout the whole entire season. I have a lot of other fun Christmas crafts and handmade makes that I'm going to be showing tutorials and behind the scenes for. I'm really into the handmade Christmas this year. I think a lot of people are as well. So I'm excited to show you all that I have in store. I'm going to head over to Hobby Lobby now and grab a few things that I need for my projects. And then I'll take you along and show you what I get. The parking lot is already absolutely insane. I know, it's crazy. Okay, that was absolutely insane. I didn't want to record in there because it was too crazy, and I'm never coming to Hobby Lobby again on a weekend, but I'll show you all what I got then when I got home. Okay, so this is everything that I got. So first is this brown felt fabric, and I cannot wait to share what I'm going to be making with this. It's going to be so cool. And then to go with that, I got a bunch of felt and foam, all in different colors. So I'm going to be making a lot of stuff to go with that project. And some other fabric that I got was this white striped. I think I'm going to make like a stocking with that. And then I got some more of this blue fabric with the bows that I made my tote bag with. And then this like gingham red fabric. Another thing I'm excited about is this parchment paper that says Merry Christmas on it. It's so adorable. I can't wait to see everything that I make with that. And then I got these cute holly leaves, this really cute plate, some gingerbread men. I normally make those with my Cricut, but I thought it would just be easier. And then this placemat, some red popsicle sticks to make cake pops, some ribbon and puffy paint. And then I got these really cute, I think they're snack cups with lids, with their gingerbread men. They kind of look like soup containers. I thought this would be cute for like a Christmas movie night with the kids to put together. And then I got 2 gift boxes. They look kind of similar, but they're like different sizes. So it's Merry Christmas on them. They're really pretty and they're really inexpensive. This one was only $2. The other one was $2.50. I love their prices. And then I also got some snow fluff for my project. And then the last thing I got was just this little tree for decor for our house. So I have some kids craft projects coming out, some handmade gift items that I'm going to be making, some sewing projects, and I can't wait to share them all with you. It is now the next afternoon, and this morning my husband made us a really nice French toast breakfast, and we watched Home Alone 3 and put our Christmas tree up. We did not decorate it yet. That'll be for another day, but I am currently working on some stuff for some upcoming crafts and videos, so I just wanted to share them really quick. Let me just show you what I have so far. And here's our tree that we put up. I can't wait to put all the decorations on it. Also, for those of you with a toddler, I have a 2-year-old. Do you just decorate half of the tree? We've done that the last 2 years, and then when my daughter was little too, we did that. But I really don't think I'm going to put out any of our sentimental ornaments. Do you put a gate around it? Like, what do you guys do? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. And then I'm roasting some garlic here on a tray for a butter candle. If you ever see those, they're really popular right now. And I'm going to make a rosemary and roasted garlic butter candle. So I'm super excited to see how that comes out. These are the little gingerbread man that me and my daughter made yesterday to put on our life-size gingerbread house that we're making. How cute are these little ones that she made? The little, she made like a baby for this one. So cute. So I got to figure out a way to have them stick to the felt that's going to be on the gingerbread house. So I'm thinking either Velcro or gluing felt on them itself. So we'll see how that works out. And then I just set up my Cricut because I'm going to be making some lollipops and gumdrops for the gingerbread house as well, out of felt, with all the felt that I got from Hobby Lobby. So this is the base of the lollipop, and then we're gonna make the swirl next. My Cricut is not the maker, so it doesn't really cut fabric well. So I have to go through again, and I have to cut everything. Because I also need a new blade. My plan is to take these paper straws and use them as the sticks behind, but I'm not sure if it's going to be too heavy to stick to the house, so I'll have to try a few different things out. So this is everything I cut out so far. I got some gumdrops, some little peppermint candies that I made. These are all going to be turned into lollipops, and I'll do that soon. And then these are supposed to be like those little candy dots. Remember those when you were a kid? And then over here I have some what is going to be candy canes cut out that I'm going to make too. I'm going to try to make the mailbox out of the box that the gingerbread house came in. So what I did so far is I scored up here because I'm going to try to make it a little bit smaller like this, and then somehow figure out how to make the top rounded like a mailbox you would see for like a post office. I'm just going to finish some dinner up. Probably just going to watch a Christmas movie, and tomorrow I'm going to finish up all of the candies and start working on the gingerbread house, and I can't wait to show you all. And then also I'm going to do that butter candle tomorrow too. Good morning, everybody. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and today is a little bit of an exciting day. We have a homeschool meetup, and they're going to be talking about the first Thanksgiving. And this morning we did our balloons on Broadway lesson, and it was so cute. We read the book, and then we made like these our own little floats and stuff. So now everyone's excited to watch the parade tomorrow. Plans I have for today for crafting is I have to finish the candies on the gingerbread house, but also I want to finish that mailbox that I'm making. And since today is going to be a warmer day, I would like to finish spray painting it today. So it's really important that I finish building that today so I could spray paint. I also really want to finish that butter candle so then my family can eat it tomorrow for Thanksgiving. And then I have to make some letters for the mailbox. Like I said, finish up those candies, and so hopefully I can get everything done today, but we'll see how far I get. And then tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so then we'll be heading out to see our family there. So I'll film a little bit tomorrow, but not much going on tomorrow. And then hopefully I could finish this up so I could put everything together. And I'm so excited to see it all put together and then have my kids play in it. So I gotta head out right now because we're about to be late, and then we'll see what I get done. We just got back from homeschool group. Everybody's finishing up lunch now. My son is napping, and I'm about to make another cup of coffee because I'm exhausted, and I just changed into some comfy clothes so I can finish up the mailbox. I'll show you as far as I've gotten with it, and then I'm gonna spray paint it once I finish it up. Someone else grabbed this adorable Santa mug from Target while they had it. I got it like in October. It's so cute. So cute. So this is what I got done so far. And now that I realize that I want to cut a hole, like a slit right here for them to put the letters in, and I think I'm gonna have to untape it from the back, so then it'll be easier for me to like cut in the front. And I'm gonna put a little door back here for them to open it up and get all the letters out then when they're done. And then I have to fill in the sides as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the slits, cut the door, tape it up, and then spray paint it. All right, so we got our door, and now we're going to tape the top. So now I want to cover up this hole here that I cut too short because it kind of bothers me. I mean, honestly, it really doesn't matter, but for me it does. So I'm just gonna like put some cardboard here and trace it and then cut it out and then tape it and hope that it works out. Let's see. All right, that should work out. I'm using masking tape for a lot of this because I feel like the spray paint will stick to that better than the packing tape, but I did put packing tape on some parts and then masking tape over it because it just holds better.
No.
Okay, both sides are now done. We got the back flap and the front flap. So let's go spray paint it. I probably should not be wearing white to spray paint something red, but maybe my husband will do it for me. So this is what it looks like after I spray paint it. My husband did it for me and I think it looks really cute. It's like a satin red finish. And then I'm going to put some words on it like North Pole Express or like something cute on the front. Now that it's finished up and drying, I think I'm gonna start on trying to do the butter candle just so it's ready for tomorrow. I really want my family to try it tomorrow. I think it'll be really fun to have for Thanksgiving. So basically what you do is you take some butcher's string and then you feed it through like a paper cup. And then that'll be the wick, and then you fill it with some softened butter, like mixed with whatever you want. I'm gonna do roasted garlic and rosemary, and then you let it harden for a few hours, and then you light it, and then you dip some bread in it. And I think it's gonna taste really good. I'm gonna use my Cricut tool to poke the hole in the bottom for the wick, and I can't tell you the amount of times that I use this thing for non-Cricut or craft related things. So I'm gonna poke the hole in the middle, and then I will feed like a string through it. And this will be the top of the cake. The butter, the garlic, and now I'm adding in some rosemary. I'm gonna soften it up and then put it in the cup. Just a little behind the scenes footage. Usually my daughter's doing some sort of crafts, just some of her leftover schoolwork from this morning. We're doing some Thanksgiving crafts and stuff, but always a mess right here. So I wanted to show you these adorable little menus that my daughter made. She had set up our breakfast this morning, put like all the plates out, and she made these menus and then put them on the plates. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. I think that's all I'm going to do for today. I'm kind of tired now and my son's about to wake up, and I will have to start working on some stuff on my computer, like graphic design work for my channel and all the stuff that I need to put up for the Christmas time. So I'm gonna get started on that, and then tomorrow I'll probably maybe take a break. I do have a little bit of dessert to finish up tomorrow, so I'll film that. I'll be making like pie crisp toppers for the cheesecake that I have, and then that'll probably be all for tomorrow, and then I'll start back up again on Friday doing the candies and whatever else I think in my mind between then and now, or now and then, sorry. And so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving Day, and today we're just going to be having a chill day, and we're gonna watch the parade, and then we're gonna head over to my family's house, and I'm so excited to spend Thanksgiving with everybody. We're gonna have pumpkin cheesecake for dessert. That's what I'm bringing, so I have to make the pie crisps for that. I also want to mention that I'm going to test out the butter candle that I made beforehand just to make sure that it works. So we'll be testing that out too. I can't wait to try that too. We're watching the parade, and we have some crafts going, and we have this tablecloth I got for them to color this morning. This is my butter candle. It came out so good. I'm gonna light it now and see what happens. Round two, the wick was too short and it went out, so now I pulled it through a little bit more and we're trying it again. So I'm making the pie crust crisps to go on top of our cheesecake, and I'm just using a pre-made pie dough right now. And then I have these cute little cookie cutters that are leaves and pumpkins that I'm just cutting out into the dough, and then I put them on a sheet tray. I brush them with some butter and some cinnamon sugar, and then I bake them for a few minutes at 350, and then I'm going to put a little bit of whipped cream on our cheesecake and then top the cheesecake with them, and they turned out so good. I did a short on this earlier, and it really elevates any dessert that you are making. You could use this for anything, honestly, But for today, we're going to be doing a pumpkin cheesecake from David's Cookies that I have. So it's nice and simple because it comes frozen in dry ice, and then you could just throw it in your freezer and defrost it for whenever you need it, which I love. Also, this is not sponsored by David's Cookies, but I do have a discount code for you guys. It gives you 20% off of your complete order, and it is an affiliate link. So if you plan on ordering for the holidays, definitely use that code because it's really convenient to have. Just pull out whenever you need it, order whenever you need it, but definitely check them out if not. Can't wait to eat the pumpkin cheesecake though. It is so good. But I'm going to show you now, after I cut these out, how I brush them with butter, and then I just mix a little cinnamon sugar and I top it on top. After I'm done with these, I'm going to pack my son's Thanksgiving meal, and then we're going to get dressed and get ready to go. So now I am just brushing them with some butter, and then I'm going to sprinkle them with my cinnamon sugar mixture. Sprinkle them with the cinnamon sugar mixture until they're completely covered, and then I bake them until they're golden brown and crispy. And then I baked some sweet potatoes for my son to bring because he has food allergies, so we have to bring all his food with us. And I'm going to be packing some of these little Abe's cupcakes for him too, and I have to finish packing his lunch as well, so I'm going to get to it. This is the lunchbox that we use for him, and we love it because it has these ice packs that go in here and underneath here, and it stays cold for about, yes buddy, it stays cold for about 6 to 8 hours, which is amazing, especially because we always have to take his food with us, and when we're out like for everywhere, keeping his food cold that long is like essential. These are the ice packs that you just slip into the pockets here. And it's nice and flat too. So I have his rolls with the butter, his cupcake, his turkey, his sweet potato, and now I'm going to probably put some fruit and stuff in there. The pie crisps after they were baked, and they're nice and sugary and cinnamony, and I can't wait to try them. We're finally on our way to our Thanksgiving, and we have our cheesecake and the butter candle in tow, and I think I'm going to end this week's Vlogmas right here. So next week I'm going to pick up